Hi everyone, this is Jared with Good Guys Garage Door. Just want to know how many of you out there would love to have a full view garage door instead of a rear sliding door on the back of your house. How much fun would this be for entertaining? State-of-the-art Liftmaster, Wi-Fi, extra security, deadbolt, your safety sensors, and then also your wall control. The kitchen, this property is not yet done, but the kitchen island here, definitely be back for another video showing you the final walkthrough. This door is still boarded off from the other side, so apologize that you can't see outside just yet. The spring still needs a little bit of oil, but the owners are gonna finish that orange awesome paint on that spring, and then we'll be able to oil it up, definitely quiet it down quite a bit. This door is a 5 foot wide by 7 foot tall CHI tempered glass. It's insulated. We'll have full vinyl trim on the outside also. If anyone out there is interested in one of these doors and you live in Denver or the surrounding cities, please look me up. Again, this is Jared with Good Guys Garage Door.